In this unit, we will be learning another reading skill called making inferences. Firstly, you are probably wondering what inference is and why we have to learn this skill. When you infer or you make an inference, you draw conclusions or more information based on what has been supplied or implied. This helps you understand better. Also, you can read between the lines, getting the message even if it's not stated or said. In fact, we make inferences all the time, even when we're speaking. For example, in this sentence, I am not sure if I would get seasick again, so I will make sure to pack some medicine for upset stomachs. You can already infer that 1. The speaker got seasick before, and 2. The speaker is about to take another boat trip. Inference can even help you appreciate comics better. Look at this Garfield comic strip. You can pause the video to appreciate this comic. 同学可以暂停影片，慢慢看一下这幅漫画，想想看为什么它是好笑的。Garfield is a fat cat that eats too much. He is now on a diet. This means that he is eating less and eating healthier. But even though Garfield is on a diet, he still gained weight. You are supposed to lose weight on a diet, not gain weight. However, for Garfield, this is an improvement. So the funny part here is that Garfield is trying very hard just to gain less weight. Please read the story while keeping in mind these two questions. 1. What happened? 2. Why was Tommy not there? You can pause the video and take your time reading. 同学可以暂停影片，慢慢看一下这段文字。The information supplied in this story is 1. Tommy didn't go with Mom when she went shopping for groceries. He stayed at home. 2. The mirror was broken by Tommy's basketball. 3. Tommy was not in the house when Mom came back. 4. Mom was very angry. So, after making inferences, we can draw the conclusions that Tommy was playing with his basketball while Mom was out, even though Mom had told him many times not to do so in the house. He left the house because he knew Mom would get angry. Please read the paragraph and try to draw a conclusion about the author. You can pause the video and take your time reading. 同学可以暂停影片，慢慢看完文字的叙述，以及下面的4个选项。The information supplied includes 1. The author is taking a walk around the time of sunset. 2. She doesn't want to say goodbye to Paris. 3. She likes a lot of things in Paris. 4. She's quite familiar with Paris. So we can draw the conclusion that the author can't wait to visit Paris again. Let's practice with 105年学测第56题. You can pause the video and take your time reading. 同学可以暂停影片，慢慢看一下这段文字。到了下一页，也可以先暂停影片，慢慢看一下问题。The question is, what can be inferred from the study? In the previous page, we read that the researchers studied how sea snakes coped with wet and dry seasons and the availability of fresh water. The last sentence stated, dehydration at sea may explain the decline in populations of sea snakes in some parts of the world. It means that in some areas, the lack of water intake leads to decreasing numbers of sea snakes. It implies, and we can infer from this part, that population distribution of sea snakes is related to the amount of rainfall. So D is the right answer. Let's practice again with106年学测第44题. You can pause the video and take your time reading the text. 同学可以暂停影片，慢慢看一下这段文字，再到下一页看问题以及选项。The question is, according to the passage, what would a charmer most likely do? In this passage, charmer dog trusts you and prefers to solve problems using what you give it, rather than getting information by itself. So the answer should be C, relying on its owner. So that's a wrap. Try the exercises questions and you can have fun making inferences